Hey, what's up, you guys? How are you? I hope all is well. I know it's been a while since I have recorded or uploaded, I should say, on YouTube. It's been a little busy, and the reality is, I also got tired of just recording on my phone because I kept running out of storage. How ghetto is that? So because of that, and then just being busy with life in general, I really was not encouraged to vlog, right? For the weekly vlogs that I promised you guys. I had to make a decision, and say like, hey, if you really want to be serious about your content creating, Florin, then you need to get an actual camera. So that is just what I did. I bought an Osmo Pocket 3. And it's been good so far. I had to learn how to use it, of course, but it's really self-explanatory, which I love. And that is exactly what I'm recording, how I'm recording this video right now on my Osmo Pocket 3 with the mic. I got the creator kit, so it made it easier for me to create content. And yeah, so oops, sorry. Hold up. 3671. Sent a long notification. Okay. Sorry, guys. Anyway, yes. So, I hope you guys have been well. There have definitely been some new developments. I'm not sure if you can tell where I am is very echoey. I just bought a house not too long ago, and I've moved in, but I'm also, trying to get the place together, get it ready, and so on and so forth. So it definitely has been a transition. It's been a transition that I'm grateful for. God has truly shown me much grace, much mercy, and it definitely is a new season. It's a new season, guys. So yeah, it's probably gonna feel echoey in here for a little bit. Right now, I'm currently in my kitchen recording this video, but yeah, I just wanted to pop on here and say, I guess I'm back. I guess I am back, and yeah, excited to keep the content going, with these vlogs and so on and so forth. So I'm also supposed to be getting a new phone, which should also give me more storage, because this phone ain't it no more. So we'll see. But yes, excited about that, so that I should be content creator ready to go. Okay. I think that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, I'll give you more updates as we progress through, these videos. But yeah, I just didn't have storage. I didn't have enough storage for the amount of content that I was trying to upload on a weekly basis. So, and it can definitely be frustrating and discouraging. Hence why I was like, okay, Florin, you got to get serious with this content that you're creating. My channels are growing by God's grace, but I know that it's time to take it to another level. So yeah, but how have you guys been? Let me know in the comments section what you've been up to. Happy new month, by the way. It's May. How are you guys feeling? Are you excited that we're in a new month? X, Y, and Z. That's pretty much all I have for now, guys. I thought this was going to be a longer video because I'm trying to think, being a homeowner has been a very interesting journey. It's been very, very interesting, that I hope to talk about more in the coming future. But as of now, I'm grateful because I've been trying to get a house for some time now, and there had been a lot of resistance, but God has shown me mercy. He showed me mercy, and He opened the door. Everything happened so quickly that I hasn't even fully settled in yet that I am a homeowner by God's grace. So, just navigating through that. A lot of you don't know my story, but, I used to live on my own. I used to live in an apartment, and I stayed there for about 4 years, and then I lost my job. I was unemployed for about 9 months, and I kept getting, obviously, eviction notices. So I had to move out of my apartment and move into my parents' house, move into their basement exactly. Now my parents, they have a nice house by God's grace, so it's not like I was suffering. But of course, it's always good to just have your own space, especially as a mature adult. I'm in my 30s, by the way, so you know, it's always good to have your own space. So yeah, I had to move in with my parents, stayed there for almost 3 years. And I was working, saving money and so on and so forth. So, you know, when the door opened for me to be a homeowner, it didn't seem real, right? It didn't seem real. You know, in fact, I wasn't even taking the process seriously. I didn't even put any effort in, honestly. It was just the divine hand of God that really opened the door for me. So, you know, family has come to see the property, a few friends as well, and they all love it. They love my place. They love how homey it is. They love how spacious it is. Obviously, there's certain parts of my house that I obviously can't show because I don't want you to find out where I live. But all in all, it's definitely been a journey. It's been a journey that I am so grateful for. And yeah, guys, here we are, and it's a new season, as I mentioned before. You know, God has, honestly, he's been blowing my mind since the beginning of the year. Every month so far this year, I've had a testimony. I've had a testimony that defies logic, and I trust that this month of May will not be different. You know, my first lady released a word about the Lord giving us testimonies every single month of this year. Even though, you know, some days within the months may be a little shaky, but at the end, God must give, you know, us this testimony of that defies logic. And I took that word. I still hold on to that word. I still remind God of his word every day. I'm like, well, not every day, but almost every day. I'm like, God, you said you would give me testimonies that defy logic. I should probably close my window. You said you would give me testimonies that defy logic, and I just hold on to that word. And I have my calendar. I write out the things that I'm trusting and believing God for. And, you know, the Lord has been exceeding my expectations, and I'm truly grateful for that. So, yeah, that's what it is for now. I just can't believe we're already in May, though, guys. Like, this is crazy. You know, it's crazy that the year is going by so quickly, but, you know, what can we do? What can we do but to keep trusting God, to keep believing in his promises, and know that it is well. It is truly well. So, just trying to think. Mother's Day is tomorrow, so I'll get content on that. And yeah, I mean, weekly, you guys should I mean, yeah, I'm back to my weekly vlogs now that I have the camera, I have the space, I have the equipment that I need. You know, we should be all good to go. But yeah, just wanted to give that intro. I didn't want to just, you know, get back into uploading videos without letting you guys know where I have been. Yeah, it's I don't know, you know, you can only record or do content on your phone for so long, right? And I'm grateful for the opportunity to have been able to do content, because, you know, my YouTube channel, most or all of the videos on my YouTube channel have been from my phone. All the vlogs, all the shorts, all the still pictures and all that, all of this has been from my phone. So don't let nobody fool you and make you think that you can't start creating content just because you don't have all the fancy gadgets and stuff. Like, I said that I was going to create content on my phone until I felt like I was ready, or I felt like I, you know, could just get an actual camera. And I'm so grateful for the Osmo Pocket. And no, they're not paying me to say any of this, guys, but I'm grateful that they've made it very user-friendly. It's very portable. It's so easy to use. It's easy to upload and so on and so forth, easy to edit. And yeah, so what else? I think I'll end it here now, right? I think I'll end it here. Yeah, I think I'll end it here. But I do also want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms out there. You guys are amazing. Happy Mother's Day to my mom. She's amazing. And just all the mothers that have really, truly sacrificed and laid down their lives for the sake of their families, for the sake of their children, their spouses. And it's just amazing. Moms are supernatural. Moms are superheroes or superheroes. And, you know, the older I'm getting, the more I'm realizing that, you know, the more appreciation, I should say, the more appreciation that I have for my parents, my mom especially, just because it's like, it's not been an easy journey. It's not been an easy road, but she has truly endured. She's endured through so many stages and phases and seasons of her life. So, Mom, love you. God bless you. And yeah, all the amazing women in my life, God richly, richly, richly bless them. So anyway, I'm going to end it here, guys, for real this time. But yeah, thank you so much for rocking with me thus far. And yeah, we thank God. All right, take care. See you in the next vlog. Okay? Bye.